Today we're making some pancakes. So first you need at least like a little at least this side. And also this, some powder. Also a cup, 1 cup. I'm using a 1.5 because I don't have one. Target. I'm just gonna put I'm gonna pour it through. So let me just move this out of the way. Just keep it.
They can have big plates. We get a lot of big plates. We scale outside.
To get hard, let me just.
That first one gets inside.
Spoons are back here. I'm getting the. I'm not actually gonna do it. Guys, I'm not actually gonna do it, okay? Guys, I'm not actually gonna do it. Yeah, and then you just like rub your spin around. Like making. So yeah. Fall out. Yep. I have to do that again. Over and up. Take the scoop. Promise I'll fix the mess later. Promise guys I'll fix the mess later. Ignore my brother. So if you're interested today, I'm gonna eat in the side because I don't know because I'm reading it now. Whoop, 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 whoop. I have it. Maybe I should change the camera so that okay, almost there. Like just a little further. Just a little further. And yeah. No, actually, a little further. Sorry. Okay, guys. Alright, weep. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Alright, so now they're mixed together. Now they're together, now you just stir it. I'm going to edit this part out so you guys do not have to see me stirring because it's boring.
Alright, now, why are you beating us? It's because of penalty.
Wait, let me read the recipe again? Okay. So it says, alright, so I'm actually just gonna read this part. I have to do that one more time. Alright. Oh wait, no, it's a third. Yeah, I said 3 of it because I'm just done. Oh, looks like we got there. Yeah. Oh, there's so many ones. Gotta go! Bro, please don't get in camera. Alright.
Daddy, that's recording while I was screaming.
I'm not like anything now. So. You guys want to see it? I hope you don't comment on this, so. But. Look at that. Wait, no, wait, I'm not done. I see straight away. I swear. Extra sound effects. Whee! You guys can't see it because I want to keep it as a surprise until I'm done stirring. That's why I'm not tilting the camera so you guys can see it. I'm not doing it right now. Oh, it's almost done. Alright, maybe I should get my face in camera. Just so it's up. Alright, anyways. Alright, well. Alright, I know. Still comment. Yes,
Medium.
Alright, so my dad set it up for us. So yeah. This. I'll pour it. I'm just gonna. I feel like that's good. Now, so Alexa tells us does 1 minute timer go out. Now I'm cooking. Hey Alexa, set the timer for 1 minute.
1 minute, starting now.
Alright, wait. See when the 1 minute passes. So yeah, I'm gonna cut by the way. We're just gonna cut it out. So yeah, I guess. There's also like a mini pancake. It's almost connected. Where's the? Oh, it's right here. So yeah. Okay. Almost time. Now let's just do it early. See. Alexa, stop the timer.
Yeah.
It's so hot. It's just very hot. That's why I'm doing it. I get
Like I overcooked it. I made it too hot. I do it again. I'll do it again. I made it too hot here. You just gotta put it on.
Oh no. Alright, we're gonna redo that. Also, that was a mistake.
Show them how we gotta redo it.
Alright. Look.
It's stuck.
It.
Made it too hot.
Alright, now hold the camera again. I'll hold the camera again.
Okay, wait. Let's get this on the plate.
It's not my fault, okay? I'm not gonna eat that. I'm not gonna eat that, okay? I'm not eating that stuff.
Oh, it'll taste good. It'll taste good.
Let's just do that.
Okay.
I feel like we gotta redo that.
Alright.
Now hold the camera again. Hold the camera again. I don't want to record myself all the time.
Okay, wait. Hold on.
Okay, you get that spray. Hey,
Yeah,
you
put
get
a
that
little spray.
spray.
Wait.
Okay.
Hold on, wait.
Alright, over here. Oh yeah, you gotta get that spray. Oh yeah. It's a gun. Alright. Alright. Now I'm just gonna probably take everything down. Let's just probably take everything down. That's good. It's a yummy pancake. I'm gonna flip it over when I think it's ready. Alright, so the bubbles is a little hint, as you see right here. So look, the bubbles is a hint. I feel like these ones are open up there in it. So you gotta flip them over. And that looks good. That's fine. If that happens, just pop that down. And do the extras. First, we got apple. First, you got mini pancakes. I'm gonna put it on this side. Can you do the last one? Alright. Totally. Alright. Is it some facts?
Oven off.
Yep. Alright, now where's the plates? Yeah, you better get these plates, but... Yeah, again, you better get those plates! Like so that you turn that thing off.
Okay.
It's done. Good. It's like white. It's good.